In this video, I'm going to show you how to create hyper-realistic image like this on your phone. Open your browser on your phone and search for bing.com. Change your browser to desktop mode. Zoom in and click on Image. Zoom in again and click on Create. You will be directed to this new page, then change your browser to desktop mode. After that, you will be asked to create an account with Microsoft. Just follow the process and make sure your browser is in desktop mode. Now let's create the realistic image using text. The text used will be available in the description. After you input the text, click on Create. The image will start generating within some seconds. Wait while your AI image is generating. Your AI image has finished generating. You can now zoom in or click on the image. You can download it to your device by clicking on the download button. Let's create another realistic AI image. Text used will be available in the description. Wait while your AI image is generating. You can now download it, and if you are not satisfied with the image generated, you can re-edit your text. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.